Okay, here it is, the AnyTone Smart, or if you're in Europe, it's the Albrecht AE6110 10-meter transceiver. Now, there's apparently 3 different modes for this radio. It has export mode, EU or multi-norm mode, and 10-meter mode. The radio was shipped in 10-meter mode. We've now got it in EU. So channel changing is on this microphone here, which by the way is solidly connected. This thing is tiny. I mean, tiny. Just to compare, here's a Uniden 520 XL, and here's the Smart. I mean, this thing is little, and you could easily stuff it between your seats in your car if you really wanted to. Put this radio back. So we're just doing some quick tests here. In the multi-norm mode, you have, well, here I'll show you the band switching function. Can you even see that? Okay, so that's 1. So turn the radio off, hold down RFG, which is RF gain. Turn the radio back on. Well, that's not it. Hold down AF, which is your mode switch. Turn the radio on. And see, now it says EU, and using the up-down buttons on the microphone, you can change the bands. So you have EU, you have CE, which is the midband with FM only. EU is midband with AM and FM. You have what looks like screwed up UF, which is actually their way of saying UK, so that's the UK 40 FM channels only, FM only. Polish frequency assignment, so the regular midband down 5 kilohertz, 27960 to 27400. Italy band, German 40 channel, or German 80 channel allocation rather, so 40 channels midband, AM, FM, and then the extra 40 channels for the German allocation, which is 26565 to 26955 FM only. The Indian band, which we're going to do this one just for fun. India band is 27 channels AM only. And they use a really weird offset. So I couldn't even tell you what their frequency was, even though it's pretty obvious what channel 6 is. I'll turn that back on. So this is in European spec. You have to solder 2 contacts or 1 contact back together in order to get it to do full export mode. That is 25615 to 30105. Okay, we're just going to go to 20. do a quick little demo here. So it does show red over here when you're transmitting and green over there when you're receiving. This meter, I'm not really sure how accurate it is going from the other videos I've seen on YouTube. Okay, here's the power. So you're sitting at about, let's turn that receive off, about 2 watts dead key. Audio. Audio. Hello, hello, 1 2 1 2. Audio. Audio. It's about 5 watts peak. So, pretty decent. I don't think it has a Roger beep. Alright, let's see what the audio sounds like on the Galaxy monitor radio.
Check 1 2 1 2 radio check 1 2 1 2 radio check. Hello, hello. 1 2 1 2 radio check check check. 1 2 1 2 radio check. Hello, 1 2 radio check 1 2 1 2 radio check. This is an AM tech. AM audio test. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 test test test.
Okay, so not bad. AM audio. Haven't touched anything inside. This is how the radio came in the box. So let's see here, what else we got? Squelch function. So you can adjust the squelch from off to 2.8 in tenths. Or from 0 to 28, depending on how you want to look at that. So we'll put that at 10. When you hit squelch again, take you back to the channel. Pressing EMG is going to put you to channel 9, 19, back to where you were. Here's your RF gain function, which is set. You can set it to 0 or 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, or 54. Press back to go back to channel. And then this, go back to 20, this AF button right here, it changes your mode. So we have FM. So we're going to do a quick test on FM, which this Galaxy obviously doesn't receive.
Hello, 1 2 1 2.
Yeah, that's not going to be correct. So we're going to test it on this receiver, which is a Pro 96 scanner, which receives AM and FM.
Radio check 1 2 3 4. Radio check 1 2 3. Hello, hello, 1 2 radio check. Hello, 1 2 1 2 radio check check check. Hello, hello.
So the FM audio is I think 5 kilohertz deviation. Don't quote me on that though. So just got this thing in this afternoon. So this is it in EU mode. Again with, okay, now we have it set on auto squelch, which we don't want. Or ASQ. function. Switched it back to AM. Alright, there you have it. It's a super tiny radio. There's a Bic lighter, just to show you how tiny this thing really is. AnyTone Smart. Alright, that's the end of this first video. I'm sure there'll be some more. It's the AnyTone Smart or Albrecht AE6110.